The propagation's really cool. I like it. I have a lot of cuttings that I've grown off of plants that my grandmother's had in her house. Things I remember from like being a little kid, being around her house. Of course, I wasn't allowed to touch them then, but it's just nice. It's like I have kind of like a piece of her home or her there with me. I did, this winter I forced a bunch of tulip bulbs and gave out to the teachers just as something to give them in the winter that was blooming and green. I take a lot of cuttings from mature plants and root them either in dirt or water, just depending on what I have or feel like doing. Trailers off of succulents or other plants. They're all different, they all grow different. They bloom different times of years. It's always experimenting with what you can grow and what environment, where it grows in the best in the greenhouse or in your house, what time of year it blooms, how to get it to bloom.